MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, our trucks. MJ TruckNation wants to remind you to take advantage of the Section 179 tax incentive or inform you of how to do so. Section 179 is essentially a tax code tailored for small businesses to encourage them to buy equipment and invest in themselves. And by equipment, we mean a truck. It allows you to accelerate the depreciation of your truck and deduct its full purchase price from your taxable income. In other words, you are saving money. Sounds great, right? All you have to do is act fast and file it for the same year you purchase your truck. It is paramount that you be proactive because, as we all know, buying the right truck can be a process, and you don't want to miss your chance because you waited too long. If you have questions regarding Section 179, call or come visit us. We look forward to helping you. MJ TruckNation. Your fleet, your future, our trucks.